10 Target deals on kitchen appliances this week. Whirlpool 3.1 cubic feet stainless steel mini refrigerator was $219.99, now $149.99. You save $70. Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 Non-Stick Indoor Grill was $199.99, now $149.99. You save $50. Tefal 12-piece non-stick cookware set was $69.99, now $59.49. You save $10.50. 1.7-liter electric kettle with thin chrome trim band was $30, now $24. You save $6. Keurig K-Iced Plus Single Serve Coffee Maker Black was $129.99, now $79.99. You save $50. Black & Decker 0.9 cubic feet, 900 watts stainless steel microwave oven was $89.99, now $59.99. You save $30. Sur La Table Kitchen Essentials Air Fryer was $79.99, now $54.99. You save $25. Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro with Auto IQ was $99.99, now $79.99. You save $20. Ninja Professional Blender 1000 watts was $99.99, now $79.99. You save $20. Keurig K-Mini Single Serve Coffee Maker Warm Stone was $89.99, now $59.99. You save $30.